Sorry folks, my bad. You probably thought this was a video about cats. Well, it's not. And that's how advertising works. I needed to get your attention, and in this instance, we used a cat. What we're about to do is take a look at BCB Canada and what they have to offer to the world of online marketing. But if that's not your jam, perhaps you'd prefer to watch a video about, oh, I don't know, cute cats. If marketing online doesn't tickle your fancy, then by all means go watch that cute cat video. Really, we won't judge. There's plenty of fluff to go around on YouTube. Still here? Well, that's fantastic. I guess that means you're interested in learning about online marketing. We offer free training and informational videos to help you amp up your online marketing game. That's right, and guess what? These videos are 100% free. Why? Because we believe in sharing knowledge. But we do rely on you, the amazing YouTube community, to help us keep this channel alive. From beginner tips to advanced strategies, we've got you covered. So if you're ready to conquer the online space, you're in the right place. But remember, these resources can only remain free because of viewers like you. So do us a small favor. Hit that subscribe button and become a part of our growing community. And if you accidentally stayed and you're still thinking about that cat video, well, maybe after a few marketing tips, you'll be promoting your own viral cat videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in our next video where I know we'll be diving into some really exciting strategies that could be a game changer for your business.